Practice tests and mock exams. Boost your GRE test preparation. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of our channel, where we dive deep into the world of learning English. In today's video, we'll be focusing on an essential aspect of GRE test preparation: practice tests and mock exams. Whether you're a student or a professional aiming to pursue higher education, the GRE, Graduate Record Examination, is a crucial step on your journey. So, let's explore how practice tests and mock exams can help you excel in the GRE. When it comes to GRE test preparation, practice tests are invaluable resources. Taking practice tests is like training for a marathon. They allow you to assess your strengths and weaknesses, identify areas that need improvement, and get familiar with the test format and structure. Practice tests simulate the real GRE experience, helping you become more comfortable and confident when you face the actual exam. Now that we understand the importance of practice tests, let's discuss how to use them effectively. 2.1 Choosing reliable practice tests. It's crucial to select reliable practice tests that closely resemble the actual GRE. Look for official GRE practice materials, which are created by the test makers themselves. These materials provide the most accurate representation of the exam and help you get accustomed to the style and content of the questions. 2.2 Time management. Time management is essential during the GRE, and practice tests help you master this skill. Simulate real exam conditions by setting a timer and adhering to the time limits for each section. This will help you gauge your pacing and identify any sections where you might need to work on improving your speed. 2.3 Analyzing your performance. After completing a practice test, take the time to analyze your performance. Review the questions you answered incorrectly or struggled with, and understand the underlying concepts and strategies. Identify patterns in your mistakes to focus on weak areas during your further study sessions. Mock exams take your test preparation to the next level. These full-length practice tests simulate the real GRE experience, giving you a chance to test your skills under timed, exam-like conditions. Let's explore the benefits of incorporating mock exams into your study routine. 3.1 Replicating test day. Mock exams replicate the structure, timing, and difficulty level of the actual GRE. By taking these exams, you familiarize yourself with the pressure, time constraints, and stamina required to perform well on test day. This experience will boost your confidence and reduce anxiety when facing the real exam. 3.2 Identifying areas for improvement. Mock exams provide a comprehensive overview of your performance across different sections and question types. Analyzing your results allows you to identify specific areas for improvement. Pay attention to the types of questions you consistently answer incorrectly or struggle with, and prioritize those areas in your future study sessions. 3.3 Developing test-taking strategies. Through mock exams, you can experiment with various test-taking strategies. Try different approaches to time management, question sequencing, and skipping strategies to determine what works best for you. Remember, practice makes perfect, and mock exams are a safe space to refine your techniques and develop effective strategies. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our video on practice tests and mock exams for GRE test preparation. By incorporating these resources into your study routine, you're taking a proactive step towards achieving your desired GRE score. Remember, practice tests help you identify your strengths and weaknesses, while mock exams simulate the real test environment and allow you